In this video, I check out the UK's first Tesla toilet and vending facilities at a supercharger. Today I've called into the Harlington Supercharger, which is at the Poplars Garden Centre, Toddington in Bedfordshire, because this is the first supercharger site in the UK to get a Tesla operated toilet block. Here there's 24 version 4 Tesla Superchargers, which open to all EVs. When the garden centre is open, there's a restaurant and toilets in there, but these Tesla Superchargers are open 24/7 and they're outside of the fenced car park, which will be locked up when the garden centre's closed. There's been a portaloo in the corner, which I've also not seen before at a charging site, but this is now being replaced with this new amenity block with toilets and vending. This hasn't opened yet, so I'm unable to show you inside, but it should be opening soon. There's 2 toilets with PIN code locks. The PIN code will be shown in the Tesla app and probably on the screen in your Tesla, meaning these are only for use by EV drivers charging here. In between the toilets will be some vending machines. I'm assuming there'll be vending machines for hot drinks and snacks. And as you can see from the ramp, these are wheelchair accessible. Tesla has been adding toilet blocks and vending facilities to superchargers across France and Germany for a couple of years now, but this is the first one here in the UK. While it's not quite as big as some of the facilities on the continent, it's still great to see and hopefully the start of many more. The modular toilet block was supplied by a Spanish company called Space Garden by Resan. They specialise in designing and manufacturing stylish prefabricated toilet blocks and modular facilities for public sites like campsites, parks and service areas. And at the back of the block there's a pair of service doors here, and there's an awful lot in there. A lot of wiring, plumbing at the bottom. There's a lot of electronic equipment in there. Some fans at the top, I guess that's air conditioning units. But yeah, for a toilet block, there's an awful lot of kit in the back here. Not only does this supercharger have its own toilets, it's also got a free tyre inflator, something you almost never see since most garage air pumps cost £1 to use. So if you're here later this spring, do let me know if this new amenity block is open, and if you spot any others popping up at other supercharger sites, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see other videos on the UK's electric vehicle charging infrastructure, have a look at the playlist, and I'll include a link to that below in the video description. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, please do click the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too. Plus, of course, subscribe if you're not. If the video saved you time or money, a little support via Ko-fi or the Super Thanks button would mean a lot. There's over 1,300 videos on the channel, so have a browse, use the search, and have a look at the playlists. And here's 2 videos you may want to check out.